in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about hiding related content in search results on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. And then you want to select on the left panel where it says Spotlight. And on the right side where it says Spotlight Show Related Content, just toggle that to the off position to the left, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.